I hit my face on a stick.
Have you? You got wood chip all over you.
You ready for this? Let's go. Oh, I'm dead.
Otherwise I get lost.
Just jump into the middle and come back this way.
No, we got the other way.
So we can see you climb out. It's so funny.
You just go round.
Because you're doing the bush jump.
Every time someone goes, someone else
Start
goes.
recording now, so you have to do it.
I'm not doing it.
You are doing it.
No,
Don't do
why
it.
aren't you?
Okay, nice. Go. Go, let's do it. Look, you can see him in there. You can see him in there.
How are you getting out? How are you getting out?
I'm going out the other side. Bring my bag round.
Look at his head.
We're going.
He's on Morrison's property and he's going to do a bush jump into it.
What?
He's on Morrison's property. Hurry up.
He's just going to get
The
buried.
staff room's right down there and they're probably watching us. The staff room's in there. Hurry up!
This is gonna hurt.
Quick, let's go. We're going now.
Alright, I'm recording it now, so you may as well go.
Oh, that's so far. Are you recording now?
Yep.
He's so wet.
He's so wet.
Right, these two, these two are going to jump. This is that house's bush. They're going to go on that pole. No, you're going to the pole first. On the pole. Just act normal. Did it? You should have gone to the pole. Really, you're so funny when you do it. I'm just looking for bush jumps. No, those bins. No. I think I might have to give that a go actually. Take the camera.
Quick.
Let's go. No one's chased us, no one's come out just yet. That was the bin. My arse. No, oh no, that's just pedestrians. I didn't actually hurt that much. I was just laughing too much.
You don't even know how funny that was.
Was it funny?
That's the funniest thing I've seen all day.
Did you go up here then we're out the way of the road? Okay, so.
I don't even know how funny that was. You weren't listening in physics, were you?
What?
Every force has an equal.
Oh yeah.
Wait.
Oh.
Oh, Matt is missing out.
I actually quite enjoyed that one. Wait, what's up? There's nothing up here.
Yeah, why are we going in?
Oh, I thought it was a path, but it's not.
Die.
Joey's doing this bush jump, but it's next
What,
to
is
the
it
house.
spiky?
Right, we're gonna be really quiet. It's next to the house. Try and jump really far over it.
Do it. Do it.
Just get that mentality, Joe. Get the mentality going. Just do it. Just don't think about it. Yeah, you almost hit your head on the wall, didn't you?
Yes.
Yeah. You doing it off the wall?
That's hard.
I don't think you can do that.
There's someone there. There is someone there. I heard them. Go on then, Billy. Go.
What's he doing? Are we running?
Still neck and neck as we approach the big balls. Will Small jump first across? On the fourth ball! Yes!
Here is my total wipeout application.
No,
The big red balls.
And then the next one.
No,
Go,
don't.
quick.
Don't.
Don't say that.
You thought that was them. Do it before they come out. Oh no. Oh.
This road doesn't go anywhere.
Oi, can you take my drink? Oi, I'm not running. Billy threw a jam donut at someone's window and he comes out his house and starts chasing us. Dude.
That's not him.
He came out his house. He was wearing all grey. Because Billy threw it. And then looked over the fence. And he was in the window and Billy was like, oh no, run. We thought he was joking.
I looked out behind him and he was just
And then
standing at his drive.
we're ding dong ditching that person, running through their back door, jumping on the trampoline, coming back, running.
I'm scared. Okay, I'm scared.
We got. Oh, we're in their garden.
Pokemon Go.
Yeah, playing Pokemon.
Dude, what would you do if they were just in the window watching us?
What would you do if they came out with a gun?
Oh no, what are we doing in someone's garden? Sure gonna be. George, you have to knock. Shh, 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 shh. Run! Look at what we found. Oh shit, that's beside them. Need a closer view. I got that! I'm dead!
Oh, fucking hurt. Can we follow them, please? Oh, I didn't know they were doing it.